Have you been praying for a particular thing in your life to manifest? You desire favor. Somebody promised you and you want it to manifest. Just get Clove. Use it for 3 days and you see what will happen. You're welcome back. So in case you're new here for the first time, you're so welcome. My name is Pamela. I share spiritual messages and tips on this channel. I don't do spiritual work. I don't give out WhatsApp number. I don't sell spiritual stuff. I only share spiritual tips right on this channel. So beware of scammers. Okay? May God bless you. Consider subscribing if you love spiritual tips and messages. Like and share this video. Please, let's go on. So if you want something to manifest in your life, you desire favor, you desire something like a breakthrough, you want this contract to be yours, you want somebody to grant you this contract, you want open doors, name it. Do this to make it manifest, of course. So when people are talking about sacrifice, there are different types of sacrifice. There are ones that involves you sacrificing in evil way. But we're not talking about that. We're talking about the positive parts of sacrifice. You know, doing good deeds, like helping somebody, is a sacrifice. Depriving yourself of something to bless others is a sacrifice. I'm not saying that you should go hungry, to go hungry and helping people. No. There are some things you need to do to clear way, to make things to start working for you. I don't want to go far. This video is going to teach you how to do some things so that those prayers that you have been praying for a long time, so that you start manifesting. That is why spiritual work is very important. But there are rules in spiritual work. There are some laws. There are some things you shouldn't do and some things you should do to make your spiritual work to work. You have to first embark in fasting. Fasting is a very good way, like a gateway to make something to manifest faster. You have been praying and it's as if nothing is working, as if God is not hearing you. Undergo fasting. Embark in fasting. Fasting subdue your body and uplift your spirit, making you to be highly spiritual. That is if you do it rightly. Make sure that you stay focused, okay? You pray when you are doing this fasting and also stay in a very private area so that people will not distract you. It's just between you and God, your spirit and the spirit of God doing this. You have to read some scriptures. If you are not a Christian, just fast in your own way, subduing your body. So to make it manifest better, just leave food. Do not eat. You can be drinking water for those that have some health challenge. When you are fasting, be praying, telling God your intention, telling God what you want to do, or just tell God the spiritual work you want to do, that you want that spiritual work to work. Do not just say you are fasting and be spreading it, telling people, oh, I'm fasting. You don't need to tell people. Remember, it is between you and God. So the second thing to do after fasting, cleansing. I always tell people, cleansing is very important before you start doing every other spiritual work. Cleansing is very important. When you have been praying, it's as if prayer is not answering, like God is not answering you. Cleansing helps to get rid of negative energy. There are lots of cleansing videos I have. We have salt cleansing, we have onion cleansing, we have urine cleansing, like so many. So you can check it on YouTube. As you enter YouTube, type Palmer's TV cleansing, and all videos concerning cleansing that I do share will come out. Check only one, any of them, and follow the instructions. By the grace of God, it will work for you. In case you try only one day and your spirit tells you to repeat it for 3 days, 3 days straight without stopping, just do it. Like I always say, pray before you start doing anything that you are not doing before, so that God will show you signs if you should do or not. So after cleansing, you will notice some changes in your life. Not immediately anyway. Some people, they notice instantly. But this helps greatly to get rid of all negative energies. Negativities like bad luck, it manifests open doors. It make your prayers after this to start working. So after doing fasting, you do cleansing, then the next thing you should do, get Clove. This is the main spiritual work. This is not a cleansing video. Get Clove and honey. Clove, make sure it makes your wishes to manifest. Clove is for prosperity. It brings open doors. It brings breakthroughs, all manner of good things, positive energies. Another good thing about clove is that it also gets rid of negative energies. It drives away evil from you. So I need to show you what clove looks like. This is the clove stick. Okay, this is a clove stick. Look at it. You can see. It's like a nail. Like, I will also display on the screen. Look at it. This is how it is. So the one we're going to use right now is the clove powder. When you blend it, it's going to be in a powder form. That is one we need. If you still have the clove, I love the smell so much. If you still have the clove powder, go on and use it. But I prefer you get the original clove, okay? You blend it yourself. You'll be sure that it's 100% clove. If you get the powder from market or from supermarket, you may not know if some things have been added in it, like some other ingredients. It can make your spiritual work not to work properly. So get the clove stick, prepare it yourself. So we're going to use the clove powder and honey. Honey is sweetness. Honey makes people to remember you. Honey makes people to celebrate you. Honey makes people to gather to like welcome you, to congratulate you. Name it. Which means that good things will come to you. When you are doing this, do not put it that like people will come to celebrate you. It can be that anything you are doing will start working, will manifest better. Good things will be coming your way, promotion here and there. So do not pray, oh God, let this make people together to sell. No, anything you put your hand will work. You are doing business, it will work. Anything you desire will start working. Clove, honey mixture works together to make your wishes to come to pass by the grace of God. Make sure you do the first thing I said, fasting and cleansing, before you start doing this. So how to do this is to get clove, like I said, the clove powder. Get a bucket of water or a bowl of water, the one you use in bathing. If you don't use bowl or bucket to have your bath, because it's spiritual work, please get one. Add half tablespoon of clove powder into your bathing water. Add 1 tablespoon or 2 tablespoons of honey into the bath water. Mix it with your right hand as you pray. Be praying as you are mixing it. Tell God that you want good thing to manifest, that you have fasted, that you have prayed, that you want the spiritual work to be positive, that you want all hindrances to pave way. Good things will come to you. Pray from your heart. Do not let any distraction. Then you have your bath. As you are bathing, be praying, telling God that you want this to manifest. Thanking Him. Start appreciating Him, even when things have not started manifesting. So this is very effective to make people to celebrate you, to make all your desires to manifest. It shall not lack. Anything you put your hand must prosper. Do this for 3 days. Like, you have to bathe with it the first day. You mix another one the second day, use it to have your bath. You mix another one the third day, use it to have your bath. Then after this, you will notice what will happen. Keep your ways upright. Believe that God will hear you. Have faith, and also make sure that you pray without ceasing after this. After 3 days, do not expect miracle immediately. Sometimes God will just like put you on hold, like checking some areas of your life to know before He can start blessing you. So as you are waiting on God, keep your ways upright, and God will bless you greatly. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, share this video, like this video. I will see you next time.